If you're planning to build a solar setup, one of the most important things you need to understand is solar panel wiring, because this affects how powerful your system is, how efficient it performs, and how safe it will be. In this video, I'll explain series versus parallel wiring full guide in a simple and easy to understand way. Solar panel wiring is how you connect multiple solar panels together to form a working system. There are two main types: series connection and parallel connection. Each one affects voltage and current differently. Before we dive deeper, you need to understand voltage equals electrical pressure, current equals flow of electricity. Formula: power equals voltage times current. Example: a 100W panel equals 20 volts times 5A. In a series connection, you connect positive of panel 1 to negative of panel 2. Result: voltage increases, current stays the same. Example: two panels with 20 volts and 5A each in series result in 40 volts and 5A. Advantages of series: higher voltage, which is ideal for MPPT controllers, and it is more efficient over long distances. Disadvantages: if one panel is shaded or underperforming, the whole system is affected. In a parallel connection, you connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Result: voltage stays the same, current increases. Example: two panels with 20 volts and 5A each in parallel result in 20 volts and 10A. Advantages of parallel: less affected by shading and more stable output. Disadvantages: higher current requires thicker wires, and there is more power loss over long distances. Series: high voltage, low current, best for MPPT, but sensitive to shading. Parallel: low voltage, high current, more stable with shading, but needs thicker cables. Use series if panels are far from the controller, you are using an MPPT controller, or you want better efficiency. Use parallel if there is partial shading, it's a small system setup, or you are using a PWM controller. You can also combine both. Example: for panels, create two series pairs, then connect those in parallel. Result: balanced voltage and current, and a more flexible system design. Safety tips: always use the correct wire size. Install fuses or breakers, double-check polarity before connecting. Never connect blindly if unsure. If you want your solar system to be powerful and efficient, proper wiring is the key. If you learned something, like, comment your questions, and subscribe. And if you want more topics like MPPT versus PWM, battery setup, or full solar installation, just comment below.